Hey everyone, my name is Chase Lord and this is my business partner Andrew Tyson, and we're the proud owners of MEGAH SoftWash. We're excited to come to you today and share with you some exciting news. Many of you know Josh, Jamie, and Bobby McCrae from right here in the Augusta area, and their entire team, SoftWash Solutions, has been proudly serving the Augusta area for many years.
SoftWash Solutions has done great work in this community, and we are excited to partner with them and to continue the great work that they have done.
We've always taken pride with serving our customers with care and professionalism, and we are thrilled to have found a company like MEGAH SoftWash to carry on that tradition of excellence. We know you'll be in good hands moving forward.
At MEGAH SoftWash, we're not just about cleaning homes and businesses. We're about creating lasting relationships and making sure that every customer experience is a positive one. And just like SoftWash Solutions, we are deeply rooted in the Augusta community.
For all of our local clients, we want to assure you that the process will be seamless. You'll still get the same great customer service from start to finish, except this time you'll see the MEGAH SoftWash team at your house doing what they do best.
If you have any questions or if you'd like to schedule your next cleaning, give us a call at 706-760-9411, or you can visit us online at megahsoftwash.com.
Thank y'all so much for trusting SoftWash Solutions throughout the years. We know you'll be in good hands with MEGAH SoftWash.
We actually don't feel that we could have found a better company to carry on what we've started here. So we'd like to thank you again for all of your support, and here's to many more years of great service.
From our family to yours, thank you.